Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add products to your Shopify account from Printful. So this is the best way and the easiest way to do it, and here's how to do it. So we are now here in my Shopify account, and then all I have to do is just go here in the apps. I'm just going to install an app called a Printful, and then before that I'm just going to click this one, Shopify App Store, in order for us to be able to search. And I'm just going to type here Printful, just like that. Alright, and then we're going to install this one, Printful, Print on Demand. Okay, I'm going to click install. Okay, and then you're going to click this one, install app. Okay, so as you can see, I already have a t-shirt here. I've already added one, and then this time we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to add that same product, but with a different design this time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose that particular product. So we're going to click men's clothing, and then I'm going to click t-shirts. Okay, there you go. So I have here like bunch of choices. So yeah, basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose the first one right over here. So unisex staple t-shirt, and then I'm just going to click this one. All right, there you go. So this is the t-shirt, and then we have here a technique. So it can be either be a printing or embroidery. So I'm going to use a printing this time, and then I'm going to basically just drag the design and then put it here. All right, there you go. And then you can basically position this. You can put it in front, back, outside label, inside label, left sleeve, right sleeve, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to put it there, and then I'm going to close this one. And then I'm just going to continue. All right, and then we have basic mock-ups, or you can customize your own mock-up. I'm going to choose basic mock-ups. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to choose, say for example, this one. Okay, no design. So we're going to choose something else. Say for example, okay, this guy. All right, just something like that. And then I'm going to click continue. Okay, and from here you can adjust the language, you can change the title, you can put a description or change the description, and then so on and so forth. Once you're done there, you're going to hit continue. And then you can also opt to have a size guide or no, so it's up to you. And then this is the estimated revenue, and then we're just going to click submit to store. Okay, now we're done. Congratulations. That's how you're going to add products to Shopify from Printful.